everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a detailed shower routine. It is a part of our daily self-care routine with a little hair care and body care rituals. I keep creating content on skincare, hair care and self-care routines with some tips and reviews, along with some fashion haul videos as well. So please do subscribe to my channel to support me and my content. Also do connect with me on my other social media handles. With that, let us get into our shower routine. I will be starting with my hair care routine, and for that we will be making a DIY hair oil blend. I have this empty hair oil bottle with this amazing applicator, so I will be making the hair oil blend in this bottle. I'm going to use this Amla hair oil by Indrani Cosmetics. This is an amazing hair oil. I've already used like half of it. So I'll be pouring some hair oil in this bottle now. Next, I'm going to use almond hair oil. We all know this Bajaj almond hair oil is a staple hair oil that we can all find in every Indian household. Almond hair oil is actually very nourishing and very healthy for our hair. So let's pour some into the Amla oil and mix it. The next product is going to be Argan oil, which is one of the most important and very nourishing hair oil. It adds a natural shine to our hair. So I recently bought this Argan hair oil from the Mystic Living, which makes plant-based nourishment for our hair care products. I bought this Moroccan Argan therapeutic grade oil just for this video purpose and our hair oil blend. So it is still new. Let us open it and read its ingredients. Now let's know this product a little more. This is a 100% pure cold-pressed argan oil of Moroccan origin. Mystic Living Argan Oil is an original series cold-pressed oil, extracted via cold pressing argan tree kernels, sourced from Morocco. It is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, making it particularly beneficial for our hair and skin. This is a 15 ml bottle for Rs 449 on Amazon. This is the oil bottle. So cute and very nourishing. It comes with this cute little applicator as well, so we can control the amount of oil that we are putting. So now let's mix it. Of this argan oil in our hair oil blend. Mix. Next, we are going to use Rosemary essential oil, which is one of the best essential oils for all kind of hair care regime and healthy hair growth. I am using this therapeutic grade Rosemary essential oil by Mystic Living. It is 100% pure steam distilled rosemary essential oil. The Mystic Living Rosemary Oil is an original series essential oil extracted from fresh rosemary flowering tops. It has a herbaceous aroma with a woody undertone. It carries medicinal properties and is used for muscle relaxation, congestion relief along with hair and skin applications. It stimulates hair growth, relieves joint pain, eases stress and is very vital for aromatherapy. This is how the rosemary essential oil bottle looks. And I'm going to add approximately like 10 drops of it to my hair oil blend. So this is it. My DIY hair oil blend is ready. Now it is time to apply it. I apply the hair oil on my scalp directly. Then I gently massage it into my scalp using my fingertips in circular motions. This stimulates blood circulation, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. Moving down, I work the oil through the lengths of my hair, making sure every strand gets the nourishment it needs. Amla oil strengthens, almond oil deeply conditions, argan oil adds shine, and rosemary essential oil helps with scalp health. It's a perfect combination for thick, strong and healthy hair. Once my hair is fully coated, I twist it into a loose bun or just loosely tie it up and let the oil work its magic for at least a couple of hours or overnight for extra hydration. And that's it, a simple and natural way to keep your hair strong and healthy. For the shower routine, I'll be using this lilac shampoo bar for normal hair types. This lilac shampoo bar is from the brand called Shunyam, which is 100% sustainable brand. Shunyam only uses organic, reusable and recyclable ingredients to make all their daily care products to create a more cleaner and greener planet for our future generations. Shunyam is on a plastic-free journey to minimize its waste and reduce its carbon footprint. I absolutely love this brand and support sustainable lifestyle, which is super important for our planet, especially nowadays. So please guys, go check out shunyam.org if you also support sustainable brands and products. This lilac shampoo bar has the goodness of coconut oil and lavender essential oil to add a natural shine to our hair and leave it with frizz-free and sleek finish. So now let us get into the shower. First I wet my hair with normal or slightly warm water to open the scalp pores so it will all get cleaned very nicely. Gently rub the shampoo bar on your scalp directly to create a rich lather. Then clean your scalp with this lather thoroughly, working from the scalp to the hair lengths and let last till the ends. Massage your scalp in a circular motion to increase the blood circulation in your head, which eventually helps in healthy hair growth. After massaging and cleaning the scalp thoroughly, leave your hair in the foam as it is for 5 minutes and get into the body wash routine. I am using this apricot body scrub from Indrani Cosmetics for skin exfoliation and full body scrubbing. I begin by rinsing my skin with warm water to open up my pores. This helps the scrub work more effectively. Next, I take a generous amount of the apricot body scrub and gently rub it onto my skin in circular motions. The fine apricot exfoliant scrub away dead skin cells, leaving my skin soft and smooth. I focus on areas like my elbows, knees and shoulders, anywhere that tends to be more rough or dry. The scrub not only exfoliates but also hydrates thanks to its nourishing oils. The fresh fruity scent is so invigorating. It makes my shower feel like a mini spa experience. After scrubbing, I rinse off with lukewarm water, feeling the instant softness of my skin. I finish with a quick splash of cool water to seal in the moisture. Now my skin feels refreshed, polished and absolutely radiant. Then I rinse my hair with cold water to seal those pores back tight and completely cool down my body from head to toe. All the products smell so good and have such good formulations. I feel super clean and fresh. My hair and skin are totally revived. After a nice cold shower, it is time for some skincare and body care. First, I'm going to use this 24K Gold Face Serum by Swiss Beauty that I bought from the Nykaa app. This is how the serum bottle looks. So beautiful. I have been using this serum for quite some time now, so it is half empty already. And I always get mesmerized to see these beautiful gold flakes. Swiss Beauty 24K Gold Serum is a golden regime that loves your skin. You can say goodbye to premature wrinkles, fine lines, discoloration and dehydration by adding this face serum to your daily skincare routine. With the advanced anti-aging formula, Gold Serum carefully reduces environmental toxins that cause fine lines and help reduce skin's natural elasticity. This means that your skin rejuvenates itself with the daily application of this serum. It gives my skin an instant glow and a boost of hydration. Since the face is taken care of, let us focus on our hair again. I apply this steam distilled rosemary water hair and scalp mist. This is 100% natural steam distilled rosemary water. Just spray it directly on your scalp and hair to keep them hydrated and refreshed. Now for the finishing touch. To get a sleek and absolutely frizz-free hair look, I am going to use this Tresemme Silk Press Finisher Hair Serum. For a perfectly aligned look, apply this finisher serum every time you step out or after every hair wash. Its potent blend infused with 20 amino peptides can penetrate deeply, instantly smoothing hair without any oil buildup or greasy finish. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of this Silk Press Finisher Hair Serum on damp hair. Start from the midlands and work to the ends. Enjoy soft, silky, smooth and sleek hair. For some body care. To avoid any dryness and roughness on the skin, we need to moisturize. I'm using this Pinch Me Ultra Light Skin Brightening Body Lotion with SPF 25+. Whether you're looking to lock in moisture during the dry winter months or protect your skin from the sun's harsh rays in the summer, this lightweight body lotion has got you covered and is the go-to companion for every season. With SPF 25+ and the nourishing power of vitamin C and aloe vera, it keeps your skin healthy, hydrated and protected. Enjoy refreshed and well-nourished hair, skin and body. My detailed shower routine, starting with a very powerful and effective DIY hair oil mix, followed by this lilac shampoo bar for the hair wash routine, and an apricot scrub for the body scrub and body wash routine. After the shower, I use 24K Gold Serum by Swiss Beauty for my skincare, followed by 100% natural steam distilled rosemary hair mist, and Tresemme Silk Press Range Finisher Hair Serum to complete my hair routine. And at last, a body lotion by Pinch Me with sun protection for my body care. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from my shower routine along with the product reviews and tips. Please let me know in the comments below if you would be making this customized DIY hair oil blend for your needs and particular hair concerns. And please, girls and guys, include essential oils in your hair care routines for healthier, thicker and better hair quality. I will leave the product links in the description below, so go check them out and shop for yourself. I hope that my tips, reviews and routines help you to curate your own skincare, hair care and overall self-care routines, so we can all enjoy well-nourished, healthy and better version of ourselves. This routine works great for me as I have combination skin type and my hair is too thin with less density, which is not so great at all. So I study all these hair care and skincare products, their ingredients and information to curate such routines through which I get glowing skin and shiny hair. These are very gentle products, very high quality, tried and tested by me, and are also suitable for all skin types. So I really hope that they work very well for you too. If you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with other skincare junkies. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments below what would you like to see next on my channel. So with that, bye bye. I'll see you all in my next video.